What's up, guys, wherever you are watching from? Today we are so happy and we are very excited. We received a message from one of our top fans in Nairobi, Kenya. This is an exciting news because, guys, we didn't know that whatever we do here, it's going like worldwide. And this message proves that we are viral. We are going viral. There's a lady in Nairobi, Kenya, who sent us this message. I want to read it for you, and also I'll be displaying it on the screen so that also you can also read it yourself, because I'm not good at reading. You understand? And guys, trust me, this is good news. It's not bad news. Nah, listen. She is like, hello Tytie&Kiki, I really appreciate you guys cause you did a great job for me. I watched your video on Facebook, the one you said you were assisted by Gogo Chuhoro in Zimbabwe. I am a 39-year-old woman. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. My marriage was about to collapse because I've been married for 16 years but had no children. Then after seeing your video on Facebook, I had to fly to Harare in January this year to consult Gogo Chuhoro, and now I'm 3 months pregnant. Yeah. Thumbs up for you guys. Thank you so much for showing me the way. Thanks so much for helping me out. You are like a savior in my life. You have helped me so much. Thank you very much from my heart. Because of you, my marriage has been saved by Gogo Chuhoro. Keep on doing the good job. Keep on doing the good job, guys. You are a lovely couple. Oh my gosh. When we receive these good reviews about Gogo Chuhoro, it arouses our,
And
you understand?
That he came here also to share our experience with you guys, telling you like she helped us also, and some people give it a try and they were helped and saved,
And she is not the only one. We are receiving a lot of messages about Gogo Chuhoro. We really appreciate you guys, whoever who is going to Gogo Chuhoro because of our messages. Thank you so much for coming back with the reviews. You understand? And also those people who want to know where Gogo Chuhoro is. Gogo Chuhoro is in Harare, Zimbabwe. And for those who want to follow their page, so Gogo Chuhoro now has a Facebook page. Please don't follow any other page besides this one you are seeing on the screen. This is the official page for Gogo Chuhoro. And also Gogo Chuhoro's page has got this number that you are seeing on the screen. If you see any other page that has not this number, just know that that's not her page. If you see this number, which means that's Gogo Chuhoro, you can call or WhatsApp her and talk to her. I'm happy that a lot of people from different nations are flying from wherever they stay to Gogo Chuhoro, and they are giving or sending their good reviews about Gogo. Thank you so much, guys, for your level of support. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kenya. We noticed that we have a lot of followers and fans in Kenya. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate your love and support.